show you how to make a little trail mix or a little snack bag. So first you want to get either a plastic bag, maybe your mom has one of these, or you could get a mason jar like this, or a plastic container of some sort that you can put things in. We have all these different things here that you can choose to put into your snack bag. We have fishy crackers, we have pretzel sticks, we have golden raisins, we have some sunflower seeds, we have some craisins, and we have some M&Ms. So I'm going to start with the craisins, and I'm going to use the glass jar. So you take a little bit of craisins, take a scoop with your spoon, and you put those in the bottom. And then I'm going to come over here and take a few pretzels, maybe 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll set that right there. Open the M&Ms, get out my scooper, take a few M&Ms, put them in there. And then I want to have some healthy sunflower seeds to counteract the sweetness of the M&Ms. So I put some in there like that. And then maybe we want to have some fishy crackers. So again, I take my scooper and I scoop out a few fishy crackers and I put them in my jar. And there, I have my snack. My snack. You can make this for mom or dad, give it to them as a gift, or you can eat it yourself. Maybe take it on a picnic in your backyard. Hope you have happy snacking.